Fat loss feels very exciting in the beginning. You step on the scale and the number goes down. You feel happy, motivated, and confident. It feels like everything is finally working. Days pass, weeks pass, and then something unexpected happens. The scale stops moving. No matter what you do, it just stays the same. You are still dieting. You are still exercising. But the fat loss has slowed down. So why does this happen? Why does fat loss slow down after some time? Is your diet wrong? Is your workout useless? Or is your body broken? To answer this properly, we need to understand how the human body works. Your body is not stupid. It is actually very intelligent. The main goal of your body is survival. For most of human history, food was not always available. Sometimes people ate well. Sometimes they didn't eat at all. So the body learned to store energy. That stored energy is fat. Fat is not evil. Fat is your body's backup fuel. When you start dieting, you reduce calories. At first, the body uses stored fat easily. Fat loss happens quickly. This is why beginners lose weight fast. The body is not worried yet. But after some time, the body starts noticing a pattern. It realizes that food intake is low for many days in a row. The body thinks food is scarce, and scarcity means danger. So the body activates survival mode. The first thing it does is slow down metabolism. Metabolism is how fast you burn calories. Now, the body burns fewer calories to save energy. Even if you eat the same diet as before, fat loss becomes slower. Another important reason is your body size. A bigger body burns more calories. A smaller body burns less. As you lose weight, your calorie needs reduce. But many people continue eating the same amount of food. So the calorie deficit disappears. Without a calorie deficit, fat loss stops. But fat loss is not only about calories. Hormones also control it. Your body uses hormones to control hunger and energy use. One important hormone is leptin. Leptin tells your brain that energy stores are enough. When fat reduces, leptin levels drop. Low leptin increases hunger and food cravings. It also makes you feel tired and low on energy. This combination makes fat loss much harder. Another hidden reason is muscle loss. Very aggressive dieting can cause muscle loss. Muscle burns calories even when you are resting. Less muscle means slower metabolism. This is why extreme diets often fail in the long run. There is another sneaky reason most people don't notice. It is called NEAT, which means non-exercise activity. Daily movements like walking, standing, and small body movements. During dieting, people unconsciously move less. This further reduces calorie burn without you realizing it. Stress and sleep also play a big role. High stress increases cortisol. Cortisol makes fat loss more difficult. Lack of sleep increases hunger and cravings. Good sleep is critical for fat loss. All these factors together cause a fat loss plateau. Weight stays the same for days or even weeks. This is where many people feel frustrated and want to quit. But this slowdown is completely normal. Your body is adapting to the new conditions. Adaptation does not mean failure. So, what can you do about it? Strength training helps preserve muscle. Eating enough protein is very important. Increasing daily movement helps maintain calorie burn. Good sleep improves hormones and fat loss. Managing stress helps your body let go of fat. Fat loss is not a straight line. Slow fat loss is still real fat loss. Consistency matters more than speed. Now you understand why fat loss slows down after some time.